Okay, we are going to look at the last subtopic of the chapter, which is Raphson method. Basically, we want to find the root as well, but by using the formula. Okay, no graph sketching, no estimation. So this is the process. You have to get the fx and f prime x, differentiate, and then you have to choose an approximation. Okay, ini macam tadi juga yang 1.1 tu, dalam interval yang dia bagi, kita boleh pilih lah any value in the interval. And then the third step is you have to subs into the formula and you have to continue doing it until you get a consistent answer. You can also use calculator actually. These are the steps. Nanti kita akan try sama-sama. So we are going to look at example 5. Example 5, it says by using Newton-Raphson method, you need to find the solutions. Solution means you need to get the value of x. Okay. Near x equal to negative 0.5 to 3 decimal places. Okay, so when it says 3 decimal places, in the working solution, you must have 1 extra. Okay, nanti final baru kita letak 3 decimal places. Alright, so first step is, boleh tengok dekat atas tu, yang ini. The first step is we need to get the fx and f prime. So your fx comes from the question itself. The first step is write your fx and then your f prime juga. F prime x, just differentiate, you get 1 plus exponent x. Okay, and the second step is substitute your x naught. Okay, x naught is usually given in the question. If it's not given, you have to go back to subtopic 1.1 yang ini. Okay, so you have to do all this lah to get your x naught first, and then baru boleh continue doing your Newton-Raphson. This is for x naught. Okay, so since it is given to you, just write negative 0.5, and then the third step is subs into the formula of Newton-Raphson. This is the formula for Newton-Raphson. Just substitute first what you have. Jadi what you have is your fx and also f prime. Okay, this is prime. Your fx is x, this one, but replace the x with xn. Okay, xn plus e xn. And your f prime is 1 plus e xn. You are going to start the iteration process. Jadi your x naught is equal to negative 0.5. Your x1 is, you are going to subs into this formula. So this is x1 and then this should be your x naught. Sebab ini 1, ini 0 plus 1 kan. So this is x1, this is x naught. This is also x naught, which is negative 0.5. Okay, substitute dalam tu. Jadi you substitute dalam formula tu, minus negative 0.5 plus, okay, like that. And then calculate, you will get negative 0.5663. So make sure to take 4 decimal places. Nanti final answer baru kita ambil 3 decimal places. So you have to continue doing it. Sebab tu dia panggil iteration process. Continue doing sampai dapat jawapan yang sama dengan yang sebelumnya. Jadi kita akan continue untuk x2. Untuk x2, kita akan refer yang ini juga. So, kalau dekat sini x2, dekat sini mestilah x1. Okay, sini pun x1 juga. Sini pun sama jugalah. So, you have to subs your x1 into here, 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 and here. Okay, and then calculate and you will get negative 0.5671. Okay, so this is not yet consistent with the previous answer. Jadi we have to continue doing for x3 and x4, but you only have to write the working up until x2 only. Okay, for x3 and x4 you can just use your calculator. So for x3 you will get negative 0.5671. You can stop here sebab dia dah sama dengan the previous one. Okay, right, so ini guna calculator maksudnya tak perlu tulis working. Untuk yang ini kita kena masukkan the previous one lah dalam formula dekat sini. Kita kena masukkan dekat sini and then you will get this answer. Okay, so since dia dah sama dengan the previous one, you tak perlu buat untuk x4 dah. You just have to write the final answer, which is x equal to negative 0.567. Ambil 3 decimal places sahaja untuk final answer.